Hello everyone, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today I wanted to do a very quick video on which version of Python you should be using because a lot of security tools they are developed using a Python 2 version of it and a lot of them are still not upgraded. Okay, from a security standpoint, Python 2, that version was sunsetted on the January 1st of 2020. So as of now, if you have your system, if you got Python to install, it's a major security risk because the Python developers, they are not going to produce any more security patches for the version of the software. So if you're starting brand new, you don't nothing about the Python, I would highly recommend that you start with Python 2. That's the way to go, that's the future, and you will have all of the security patches and updates will be added to this particular version. So this is the time when you should make sure that you are no longer relying on Python 2 and you are moving as much as possible to Python 3. Okay, and for example, if I go to say my Ubuntu machine that I just installed brand new, Python typically is installed as a common tool, right? If I just type Python in there, you see that it's saying the Python could not be found, but your Python 3, they're suggesting that can be installed. So let's try Python, and then if I add 3 and look at that, Python 3 is installed. So that's a good thing about Ubuntu. They're already decided that yeah, by default I'm gonna give you Python 3 and not the Python 2. So if you have any questions, leave a comment, but please note that the sunset happened for Python 2 beginning of January 1, 2020. So if you are watching this video middle of 2021, you should already know, but I still see people are using it without realizing the security risk. So please fix the problem. If you have Python 2 installed, understand it's a security risk for you. Thank you.